All right, we got another great podcast for you today on Foxx Life Sciences. And this one you're going to want to watch to the very end. Why? We're going to talk about all the welding capability at Foxx Life Sciences. So we don't know about you, but we were pretty frustrated. There was only a couple of suppliers out there that could weld to plastic to plastic. And obviously we have carboys, bottles, all kinds of stuff where we're welding tri-clamps, doing all kinds of cool fittings like we have right here on top of carboys, funnels, you name it. And we said, you know what? Let's go hire a PhD. Let's go out and buy the latest and greatest equipment. Let's do it out of our brand new India facilities, all ISO 13485, Class 7 clean rooms. Let's have the best price, best delivery, best quality, and best specifications with Class 6 resins. And we've done it. And we're super excited. We're going to talk about it. Quick introductions. We've got Alice, who's out there selling it.
Ciao, everyone. Ciao.
Alice's from Italy, came over to the United States. Been with Foxx how long?
Oh, man. Almost 10 years.
10 years, came out of the lab, right?
Yes, I was a neurobiologist.
All right, there you go. So what is this? You brought some furry thing here.
Hey, this is Gypsy. He's our mascot at Foxx Life Sciences.
Okay, so at Foxx, we're family owned. You get to bring your dogs. You get your birthday off and paid. Lots of cool benefits. So if you're looking for a cool opportunity, check out Shop FLS, apply. And we're always hiring people. Now 5 facilities, over 6,000 products. Guess who's here today? His second time? The big boss. That's right, the big boss, the president, Rick Schwartz.
It is great to be here. You didn't ask me how many years in the industry, so we won't. It's great to be here.
Well,
Thank you.
That's a good point. Tell everybody a little bit about your background that's not familiar with Rick Schwartz.
So yeah, absolutely. And again, it's just exciting to be at Foxx and helping to lead this phenomenal organization. I've been in the industry since actually the mid-'80s. Started with Baxter Healthcare and moved up through a number of distributors, worked with a number of manufacturers, and just blessed to be able to join Foxx a year ago and work with phenomenal people.
Yeah, you don't want to hang out with this guy because he jogs every day, exercises, still looks like
He
he's 40,
very healthy too.
Very healthy and an incredible leader. But he's driving the whole company now, and that's huge, where I'm focusing more on the product development and all the fun stuff. So down to my left is the one and only Mr. Rhino.
Woo!
Let's hear it from
Hello,
Mr.
Rhino.
So he's one of our mad scientists, product development guys, always creating these new crazy products, and he's become super popular with this new Rhino bottle. He's kind of become a celebrity, if you will, but he's always sneaking in on these podcasts somehow. But let's go ahead and get started. And whoa, wait a minute. What?
Oh.
Mr. Rhino, what are you doing here?
Uh-oh.
I thought you're not here, so I took your place.
You have to do testing. Why are you everywhere in the podcast?
Yeah,
All
I
right,
know I
all
have a
right.
lab.
So, Mr. Rhino, if you don't mind. Whoa, did you break that? Uh-oh, he knocked over the bottle. Did he break that?
No, it's a Rhino.
Whoa! There it is, folks. This is a cool bottle. Mr. Rhino worked on it. Yeah, come sit down. We're going to introduce this guy next. But this Rhino bottle is phenomenal. It's a proprietary coating, and when you drop it, it doesn't break. If you go high enough and it does break, the glass stays inside that proprietary Rhino coating. One of our coolest new products.
Absolutely.
And it's a rage, right?
It is a rage, and it is a rage for our customers. It's for the safety departments, and it's off to a great start.
Yeah, super cool. So, okay, down to my left, I'll try it again. We've got our Senior Vice President of Quality Regulatory for the whole globe, all 5 facilities, Syed. Let's hear it for Syed, everybody.
Syed is our guru.
All right, so we thought we'd bring him along for this podcast because if we get into any technical questions, we're going to need some help, right?
Absolutely.
All right, so very good. Good to have you on. First time on the podcast.
Me here.
Yeah, whoa, hang on. Oh, come on, guys.
Lucas,
We're trying to have a
why are
podcast.
you?
What? Everybody
Hey.
wants to be on these Foxx podcasts now.
I know, it's so cool.
Nobody's getting any work done.
I was supposed to be sitting there. I was supposed to be in the podcast today.
And you should be, because
Time.
Aleche, you need to go get out and sell something.
Uh-oh.
Please.
Whoa.
Really?
The big boss.
It's time to hit the road.
Then Gypsy and I were gonna go selling. Okay,
Thank you.
boss.
Selling. Let's go.
Always listen to your boss. Okay. Bye, everyone.
All right.
Enjoy.
See you later. All right. Very good.
Bye.
Bye, Alice.
All right, Alice, hang on. just for everyone back home. One more time. Ready?
Whoa!
Did we break it? Did we break it?
No, it's a rhino.
All right, that's awesome.
All right. All right, guys. Enough fun. We got to get to business here. And thanks for sticking with us back there in the lab and in all the biotech, pharma, vaccine manufacturers. You're going to want to watch this. Today is all about the welding capability. Everybody knows Foxx for all the different products. We have over 6,000, like I stated. We got bags, we got 2D, 3D, we got needles, we got carboys, we got bottles. We started Foxx in 2008 as a single-use manufacturer. Unlike our competition, that's what Foxx was started as. And today we have all kinds of capability going from product development to tool building, prototyping, machining. We do all kinds of machining now to molding and welding all the way to assembly. But today it's all about welding, and it's a huge capability. A lot of people don't know we have it. We started off with the development of this over 3 years ago by getting all the latest and greatest, but now it's really ramped up, and now we've got customers, competitors, everybody buying some of this welded product from us. So pretty awesome overall. And Lucas, you head up operations. Tell everybody where we do this, how we do this, and what's going on with it.
So this capability came. We started with this, like Tom mentioned. We had a PhD hired focused on this specific project. A ton of work in the background to make sure that all this capability didn't just come for the product, but also for the safety in the labs and the clean rooms and all the bioprocess industry. What is pretty cool is what came out was not just the product, but also a lot of accessories, right?
Yeah.
And these operations, like Tom was asking us, happens in India with our mirror facility that we have there, ISO 1345. All that happens in the Class 7 clean room certified. But also we have that also starting over here in Salem, New Hampshire, just 30 miles from Boston. So not so far away from the hub from the Northeast here in Massachusetts.
Yeah, it's a great point. So we've been doing this welding, and we started with all our own products. Then we started expanding that out to customers and competitors to help them out. But then the crazy part is the volume now is picked up. So we're taking all that technology, everything we learned, and bringing that over to the U.S. also. So just like our redundancy strategy, local for local, that's something that Rick's really pushed forward. We're going to have that capability in India, but also in the USA. So pretty exciting. Also, if you can, Dan the Man, play a little bit of that India video. You can tell everybody, Rick, you've been in the industry forever. You were at this facility. What was your thoughts on the India Foxx facilities? Three plants now.
Yeah, the facility is absolutely phenomenal. It is state of the art, and it is absolutely the largest, most spectacular that you're going to find in all Asia. And it is there to support not only our India business, the region of APAC, and globally. So we very much look forward to the advancement of science with this, and believe it's going to take science to the next level.
All right, so before we get going, I think the next thing is, Lucas, jump up, grab the carboy, show how this all started and what type of welding we're doing today. Can swing back a little bit, come back. That thing is a monster. That's our 75 liter. And you can see that we're welding all these tri-clamps on the top, the sides. We can weld spigots, we can weld funnels, and we can do this on all the different polymers. Pretty amazing. And then grab the other carboy. You can show the top works. Everybody's familiar with our VersaCap technology, but now we can weld all of these rigid adapters to our VersaCap technology, which is super duper cool. And this is a crazy cool capability. So Syed, tell everybody back watching this video the different polymers that we weld to and what's going on here.
So the good part, Tom, is this, that the capability we have is that we are at moment welding both polypropylene to polypropylene, HDPE materials, polyethylene to polyethylene welding, PETG, polycarbonate. And all welding is being done in a class 7 clean room. And the biggest challenge in the welding operation is always the particulates and the contamination. So we are making sure that all this process is done in a clean room environment. Everything after the welding is going through an integrity testing. We are making sure we are doing the leak test, pressure decay test, water leak test, and those are the standard requirements for all the materials that are being produced in our facility.
Yeah, and we've done a lot of work in this area, working with Big Pharma, and don't get fooled. I mean, you can have a weld and it looks like a weld, but how much load can that weld handle? How much weight can you actually torque on it? If you look at that really cool larger disc up here, the bioreactor connectivity with the tri-clamps, show everybody that, Syed, and what we've got going there.
So this is all what we welded on a polypropylene. It's a polypropylene machine disc with whom we have welded the polypropylene rods with the tri-clamp connections. These are 3 tri-clamps which are mini and a 1 maxi, and this is like a powder cap system which could be used in the bags mixing applications and fluid transfers and the powder transfers. So this is like one of the highest selling and highest developed product that we have produced so far in our facility, in addition to the cap systems, which as I mentioned, we are working on a polypropylene and HDPE cap systems.
And then in addition, we've got all kinds of mixing type of apparatuses that are single-use driven, where we're doing a combination of welding, machining, doing all kinds of cool things. So you're gonna see a lot more of that coming out. And quite honestly, whether it's a carboy, whether it's a bottle, there's so many different things that we can do, along with the fact that we also machine all of the anchors that go on the ends of the tubing, along with rigid inside the carboys or bottles.
Rigid tubing.
Rigid tubing there, so we weld all of that. So lots and lots of different opportunity. As you can see, the dip tube, we can curve the dip tube, we can do all kinds of things. So it's a big capability, and now that's available in Asia. We're gonna be bringing it to North America too, but obviously, until we're fully set up here, you're gonna have all of that today. Shorter lead times, as crazy as that sounds, better pricing, for sure cleaner product, all Class 7, with a much better validation package that's ever been done for these type of products. All Class 6 resins, a big advantage. So I think it's gonna be a game changer. So for all of you back in the lab or back in bioprocess areas of your company, definitely think about Foxx Life Sciences for this.
Yeah, and you know what I think about when I see this is it's our innovation, your opportunity.
Right. I mean, that has been the tagline forever. So with that, we also, one final thought, we also do all of the funnels, right? So we have funnels on all the different sizes. We make the world's widest range of carboys, 2.5 liter, which is the world's smallest, all the way up to 120 liters, which is the world's largest. So we've got the 2.5, 5, 10, 20, 40, 50, 75, 125. But then on all those carboys, we can also do the 3-inch sanitaries, we can do the 4-inch sanitaries, we can do the funnels, we can do the tri-clamp with little tri-clamps on the top, all welded, we can do little bioreactors, we can do it all. So no question about it, we're geared up, we're ready to go, we can deliver this stuff today, right?
For sure, and the coolest thing that this capability brings to this space is the fact that there's no limitations. Like I had mentioned, we go all the way down to the mini TCs with the 3/4 inch tri-clamps, and then you go all the way up to the maxi with 1.5 inch. Then you have, like Tom mentioned, the 3-inch tri-clamp on the sanitary fitted on the VersaCap technology, the 4-inch on the same, and then you open the space all the way out to the 8-inch funnel. So it's just, there's no limitations, and we can offer that to you guys.
All right, so for all of you, thank you so much. Hit that like button, slam the subscribe button, because we got all kinds of great videos on all of our products, all of our capability, and thank you so much for watching Foxx Life Sciences.